Now it's time to apply the top coat. The top coat we are using from Resincoat contains an anti-slip additive which is essential in a workplace such as this. With oil spills and wet cars driving in, from a health and safety point of view, you want to be using a product such as that. Now we've caught up with Mike to see what his thoughts are.
My face says it all, Katie. Yeah, this top coat is going on. And when I got here this morning, the guys are starting to grind down the beautiful floor. And I was going, what are they doing? They're sanding down my beautiful floor. But it's all in preparation of this anti-slip top coat that's going on. So it's got a nice grippy feel to it. And just look at it. It's fantastic, isn't it? And it's got a little bit of blue tinge that's in that grey, which offsets against my nice dark walls. So I think it's going to look absolutely fantastic.
Guess what? It's finished. Okay, Mike, so you can see the flooring's finished. Please tell us what you think.
Well, you know what? Once it becomes one and it becomes uniform, the whole space starts to take shape and you can really see it working. We've got this fabulous contrast with the darker area here. This is to signify that this is going to be a high movement area. There's going to be vehicles moving in here. And then we've got the workshop area and it just looks fantastic with that thin layer of non-slip coating on it with that ping of blue that's in that top coat. I just think it looks absolutely epic, and I can't thank Resincoat enough for everything that they've done, because I think it's an amazing product. It really is. It's going to be here forever. It's going to last forever. And I can't wait to get all my ramps and all my tools and my cars in here and start working on it.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.